Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
Does your cutlery drawer look like this? Absolute mess, you can't organise stuff. Then what you need is something like this. This is the Joseph DrawerStore. Put your cutlery, utensils, gadgets in there. So you've got spaces in here for putting your spoons, your knives and your forks, and you can organise those in there. And then your larger items, you can put them here as well as in this central store as well. So we'll fill this up later and you can see what it looks like. So we've now organised it. So here we go, we've got the spoons, we've got the forks, and we've got the knives and some more spoons here. This is all well organised, as is that as well. There are symbols here if you want to put things in face wise and try to remember what's in each. So there's forks, spoons in the bottom one, forks in this one, and then knives in this one. So you can just sort of see that and pull out the items as you need them. The spoons, because we've got different size spoons, we put them in face up this way, but otherwise you can put them the other way. But as you can see, it works as a really nice drawer tidy.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.